Today we talk about how can you disable email notifications on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go down, click here on my Learning down here. So then it's going to take you to this list here on your profile. Then all you have to do, you just go above your name, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. You keep going down and you click here on manage notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on email. Then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on turn off all. So then it's going to turn off with you here email notifications on your LinkedIn Learning app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.